Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn for something to fall through. So what does this mean? Let's find out. But first, as always, let's begin with a quick look at last week's class. Alright everyone, so imagine I ask you, hey, are these sales figures correct? And yes, they are exactly 100% accurate. So how do you say that? Using the expression from last week? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Are you ready? Okay, go. All right, and time is up. If you said yes, right on the money, then well done. Good job, and thank you for remembering last week's lesson. Okay, let's move on to fall through. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. All right, so I am checking up on my good friend and colleague Taro, and recently, Taro has been negotiating with one of our suppliers. Maybe he's trying to get a better price or a better deal or something. So I say, Taro, how is the negotiation going with our supplier? Is it going well? Is it going bad? Taro says, well, unfortunately, the negotiation was failed. Okay, I am sorry to hear that. Business negotiations can be very tricky. Okay, so although this is fine, yeah, it was failed, it didn't go well, I get the meaning, that's okay. You might hear a native English speaker say, unfortunately, the negotiation fell through. Okay, so whenever something fails or it didn't turn out successfully, it didn't go the way you wanted it to, it fell through. It's a very actually useful expression. You can use this in many different situations. For example, our plans tonight fell through, meaning our plans tonight didn't work out, they failed. Our partnership, our business partnership fell through. It didn't work out, okay? So you can use this in a variety of situations. All right, so pronunciation here, everyone, so please repeat after me. Fell through. Fell through. All right, so you can join those together, and it almost sounds like one word. Fell through, okay? Unfortunately, the negotiation fell through. Your turn. All right, good. Now, after my question, so how's the negotiation going with our supplier? You say? All right, unfortunately, the negotiation fell through, didn't work out, it failed, it didn't go the way I wanted, okay? Well, that happens sometimes, so best of luck next time, okay? All right, so let's move on to our bonus question, which is another way to say that's a dangerous situation, okay? You find something that maybe is a risk, it's a dangerous situation, so what is it? It is a, I'll give you a hint, it has something to do with a color, okay? All right, if you know what the answer is, please leave it in the comments below. If you don't know what the answer is, well, we covered it in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners video lessons, so take a look if you have the time. All right, everyone, so that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great week, everyone, and I will see you next time. Thank you.